Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Ariela. In this video we're going to do a Cinderella look from Disney's Cinderella. And if you want to know how I did this look, just keep watching. Let's start. Okay, today I'm gonna use my primer from Benefit. This is the professional one. I'm just gonna apply it on my T-zone. And I mostly focus on my forehead. Next, I'm gonna use my Dior Forever foundation, and I'm only gonna apply my foundation on this part because I will use a lot of blue shades and I will have a lot of fallouts, and I don't want to do my foundation new on the rest of the face, so that's why I'm gonna focus first on my forehead eye area. And I just gonna use my Dior Backstage brush for it. Then to set this area, I'm gonna use my powder. This is La Prairie one, and I'm gonna use the puff it comes with. Next, I'm gonna use my eyebrow pencil. This one is from Chanel. This is the sculpting eyebrow pencil in the shade Bleu Naturel, and I just gonna line my eyebrows, fill in my eyebrows. To set my eyebrows, I'm gonna use the gel from Benefit. This is the 24-hour brow setter. My next step is I'm gonna highlight underneath my eyebrow. I'm gonna use the Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop. So for today's video, almost broke one. I'm gonna use 3 palettes. This one is Urban Decay Electric palette, the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession, and Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics. First palette, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsession palette, and I will need a pencil brush, and I will go inside this shade here, and I'm gonna apply it in my crease. Then with the then with the same brush, I'm gonna go inside this light blue color and apply it above my crease and slightly blend the shades out. Then I'm gonna use a small blending brush and slightly blend out the color. Now I'm gonna use my concealer. This is the Dior Forever Skin Corrector. And I'm gonna do a cut crease. And now we're gonna repeat the same thing on the other eye. The way I do my cut crease, I just apply concealer on my eyelid. And then I look up, and then I have the line where my cut crease should go, or better say how high my cut crease should be. And then I'm just gonna set my concealer with my La Prairie powder. Now I'm gonna take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go inside this light blue shade, and I'm just gonna use a small flat brush for it. Now I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm going to use this blue shade, and I'm gonna use just a pencil brush and apply this shade on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna slightly blend this out. Alright, now I'm gonna clean underneath my eyes. I'm using the Clinique Take the Day Off. Alright, now let's come to the fun part. I'm gonna use a glitter eyeliner. This one is Heavy Metal eyeliner from Urban Decay in the shade AC/DC, and I'm gonna use it in my crease. And in my inner corner. And then I'm gonna draw small lines here. As if it's dripping, kind of. I'm done now with the glitter. I'm gonna use my mascara now. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes, and I'm gonna use the curl and length side and just apply mascara to my lashes, and I will concentrate mostly on my outer lashes to get kind of like this foxy look. Alright, the eyes are done. Now let's continue with our foundation. I'm gonna use the Dior Forever foundation and my Dior Backstage brush. Then I'm gonna set my face with my La Prairie powder. Then I'm gonna apply blush. I'm using the blush from Tarte in the shade Harmony. We're almost done, and the next step is I'm gonna apply it's like lip gloss from YSL in the shade 208. It's just a sheer lip gloss with a slightly peachy tint to it. Alright, and that's it. This is the finished look. This is my recreation of the Cinderella look. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video.